to our Brightside Physics channel. This is Prasad. I am going to explain about the H.C. Verma solutions, chapter number 2, that is Physics and Mathematics. In that exercise question, problem number 1, that is A, vector A makes an angle of 20 degrees and B makes an angle of 110 degrees with the x-axis. The magnitudes of these vectors are 3 meters and 4 meters respectively. Find the resultant. It can be represented in terms of diagrammatically like this. Vector A, magnitude 3 meters, angle made with the x-axis is 20, and B vector makes an angle with the x-axis 110 degrees. Vectors always represented in the direction of x-axis, from the x-axis itself. Now, to solve this problem, first of all, angle made with the x-axis A vector is 20, B vector is 110. But what is the angle between A and B? That first of all we have to find. That is here the angle between A vector and B vector is equal to, what is this angle from x-axis to B vector? That is 110 degrees minus A vector, that is 20 degrees. The final here 90 degrees. The angle between A and B vectors is 90 degrees. But I want to find resultant. So resultant is nothing but R. That is resultant vector magnitude is equal to square root over magnitude of A vector whole square plus magnitude of B vector whole square plus 2 magnitude of A and magnitude of B into cos theta. So here angle between A and B vector is 110 degrees minus 20 equal to 90 degrees. Now this one is called as theta. And another one here, what is that? Magnitude of A. That means what is this one given? 3. Here 3 square plus what is this one? 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4 into cos 90 degrees. So here this is square root under. Now square root 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 16 plus 2 into 3 6 24, but cos 90 becomes 0. So that's why this term becomes 0. Now the final here root 25 is nothing but 5 meters is the resultant. Where the resultant must be? So the resultant must be in between A and B. So the resultant here I will write like the resultant here. It is the resultant. So resultant I will write like this. But resultant makes an angle. They will here resultant makes an angle with the A that can be represented by means of, I will take as alpha. That is, I want to find that alpha. So first of all, what I have to do here, simply I will take like this. Tan alpha is equal to formula B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. This is according to parallelogram law of vectors. To find the angle, that is resultant makes an angle with the vector. So here B means what is that here? 4 into theta. What is the theta? 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees divided by A means how much? 3 plus B 4 and here cos 90 degrees. Now here 4 sin 90 degrees is 1 divided by 3 plus 4 cos 90 is 0. So here 0. So the final output is 4 by 3. But here tan alpha, remember this is very important one. Tan alpha. So tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. One thing remember here. We are having the two familiar triangles. What are the familiar triangles here? Remember this one. This is alpha. Here tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. According to Pythagorean triplet, 3, 4 adjacent, this is hypotenuse becomes 5. So that means tan alpha is equal to 4, 3, 5 means this alpha becomes 53 degrees. That is a standard triangle. That is the famous triangle that is also. Now suppose if you are writing like this. Here it is alpha. So this one 3, this one 4. Again this one what is that? Pythagorean triplet. Here alpha is equal to 37 degrees. Now which one is correct here? Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. So that means alpha is equal to 53. So that means what I will write here? Tan alpha is equal to tan 53 degrees. So alpha is equal to 53 degrees. Now the alpha is equal to 53 degrees. So that means here alpha is equal to 53 degrees. Now this resultant, that means resultant R vector, that is makes an angle with x-axis is, what is alpha here? 53. Angle made with the x-axis means here 20 and here 53. So that means 53 degrees plus 20 degrees. So the final answer is 73 degrees. So this is the solution for question number 1. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share and subscribe to get the latest updates. Thank you very much.